6-4 is using minus subtract two-digit numbers. 2 minus two-digit numbers, a little bit different today. First thing you need to do, put your name on it. So it says subtract, draw trace by value blocks. Here's where we're going to draw, down below. First thing I want you to do is I want you to decide if this is regrouping or not. So, taking a look at the ones digit. Do I need to regroup this? 6 minus 1. Do I need to regroup 6 minus 8? Do I need to regroup 5 minus 6? And do I need to group 3 minus 5? Go and write yes or no up here. And then you can always stop the video when I write these in and see, oh, well, hold on a second, I got those wrong. Give it a shot. Yes, I need to regroup, or no, I don't. Let's see. Pause it, write them in. So 6 minus 1. I don't need to regroup that. I can do it. No. 6 minus 8. Yes. Oh gosh, problem there. Yes, I need to regroup. 5 minus 6. Yeah, I need to regroup. Absolutely, yes. And then 3 minus 5. Absolutely. So you know that I can just add, I can subtract down the columns. But what I would do next is this. I would say 56, 66, 85, and 43. Go right across. And draw those pictures, because you're only going to draw those and you're going to cross out the rest. So you've got 56. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. 66. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 85. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 43. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. And I know I went fast. But this is something you can pause and say, okay, well, I can do this myself. I can do 56. I can do 66. I can do 85. And I can do 43. Now, you can't start crossing out back here 58 of these and 46 of these and 15 because you have to regroup over here. Over here, you can cross out right away. I can cross out 6 ones, cross out 1. Absolutely. I have how many left? 5 10s, cross out 3 of them. How many are left? I can write the answers in there. I do not need to regroup on this one. Go ahead and write the answers in. Count the 10s, count the 1s, or subtract 6 minus 1 and 5 minus 3 and write it in. So 1's done. Now, taking a look here. 6 minus 8 I can't do. I can do 6 minus 5, but I can't start here. I have to start in the 1's digit, the 1's column. So 6 minus 8, can't do it. What do I need to do? Well, I need to grab one of these 10s, regroup it, cross it out. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So I do not need this anymore. And now I have 5 here, and 5 I have to take away eventually, not yet. Here I have, since I grabbed one of these 10s, I have to add 10 to it. 6 plus 10. Or draw your 10 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. Now I can cross that out. Now I have 16 minus 8 and 5 minus 5. Now you can cross out, start in the 1's column. 16 minus 8, cross out 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? Now this is when it gets tricky. It's like I have 5 10s. It was always 0 here. I'm not crossing out 0 this time. I have 5 10s, I'm subtracting 5. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy shnikes. So now you gotta count how many are left. 5 minus 5. If you have 5, take away 5. Well, let's see. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 5 minus 5 is 0. Oh my gosh. I only have 8 1s left. So this is the new step that you're gonna have to required to do. 5 minus 3 over here. 5 minus 5, you're not just subtracting 0 now. You actually have a 10s in the subtrahend. Okay, 85. Got it. Realize I can't subtract 6 from 5. I need to grab one of these 10s. So if I take one of the 10s away, I cross it out. I don't cross away the 4 out yet. Cross one of these out. Because why? Because I'm regrouping it. So I'm going to draw a 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10. Now instead of 8 10s, I have 7 10s, and I can cross this out. I don't need it anymore. It's done. And then over here, I added 10 to this. Why? Because I didn't have enough 1s to subtract. Now it's 5 plus 10. Or you can count all the pictures down here. Handy dandy pictures. 10 plus 5. What is it? What? 15. I don't need this anymore. Once I write the number up there, this is gone. This whole line's gone. Now, I have to subtract 15 minus 6 and 7 minus 4. Now, you might just be able to subtract it. I still need you, for the purposes today, to subtract and cross them out. So 15 minus 6, cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I have 7. Cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Okay, so this is how many I have left here, and this is how many I have left over here. Or I do mental math and say, okay, well, 15 minus 6 is 9, and 7 minus 4 is 3. 39. Go ahead and give number 7 a shot on your own. Regroup the 4, add it to 10 to over here to 3. Subtract down the counts. Make sure you're crossing out eventually. You're crossing out 1, 10, and 5 ones later at the end. It says write numbers to complete the equations. Draw pictures if needed. 37 plus 18. I mean minus 18. 37 minus 18. You can draw pictures if you want for these. 46 minus something, minus some number is equal to 18. And some number minus 17 equals 16. So a couple strategies for this algebra part of it. So this one's pretty cut and dry. I can do 3 minus 1, but I can't do 7 minus 8. Why? Because I don't have enough. So I'm going to grab one of these 10s and make it 2 10s. 17 minus 8 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1, and I have 19 here. 19. Here, since it's something minus 17 equals 16, you're just going to add these two numbers together. It's algebra. So you're going to add 17 here and add 17 here. That'll make this side of the equation equal to this side of the equation. This is crossed out, 17, 16. So you have 17 plus 16, and that's just addition or grouping. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 7 plus 3, 33. Okay, and last but not least, 46 minus something is equal to 18, and that's just again subtraction. 46 minus 18, can't do 6 minus 8, regroup a 10, add 10 to 6 is 16, 16 minus 8 is 8, 3 minus 1 is 2, 28. So it says, do these models show the same value? So you count this model and count this model and figure out, yes, they have the same value, or no, they don't. Yes or no, and explain, because. On the back, wow, it's only 3 problems. That's nice, isn't it? It says Anita has $63. She spends 24. How much does she save? Well, 63 minus 24. Ding, 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 ding. Regrouping. Why? 3 minus 4 can't do it. Okay. So if I were you, I'd say, okay, I'm going to borrow one. Grab a 10, regroup it, exchange it. 6 minus 1 is 5. Cross that out. And then grab a 10 over here, plus 10. 3 plus 10 is 13. Now I can subtract 13 minus 4 and 5 minus 2. And I got my answer. This one I'm not going to do for you. It says write a subtraction story. So I would say something along the lines of like, Berkeley has 36 pieces of candy or 36 toys. She breaks 17 of them or loses 17. How many are left? And you got to solve it. I mean, down here, you're going to have to solve it. 36 minus 17. It's going to require regrouping. So you might want to draw a picture. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can figure out how to regroup it without the picture. It's up to you. Write the story problem. Solve it. Sarah has 70 beads. There are 11 beads that are not round. The rest are round. How many beads does Sarah have? 70 minus 11. $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, got 70 down here. I can't do 0 minus 1. I need to grab a 10. So I'm going to take 1 away from that and make it 6. That means I'm going to add 10 to this. 10 plus 0 is 10. Okay. So I take one of these away, and I had 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to cross 10 minus 1, cross 1 out. 6 minus 1, cross 1 more out. That's my answer. Figure it out. Colored in. Any questions, come see me. If you get stuck and you're like, oh my gosh, in the middle of the video, come see me at my table. I'm available. So make sure you fill this in. Make sure you explain here. Make sure you try this one on your own. And then you write your story problem and solve this down here, please.